Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Companion Robot Review from Gizmochina. My name is Rola Mini, the main guest of this video. I hope you guys have a great trip. By the way, have you seen my friends?
As you can see, this is a robot that can talk to you. The title of this video also tells you that this little guy is made for pets. Have you ever missed your little cutie, especially when you're at work? Or are you worried about their safety when you are traveling? Rola Mini's job is to keep an eye on them and play with them. Without further delay, let's start with an unboxing. There's not much in the box, and as soon as you open the lid, there's an instruction manual. There's also a card pin attached to the manual. There's a braided charging cable here as well, which has a pretty good texture to it. This Type-C port is magnetic, meaning you can attach the charging cable to the wall like this. The Rola Mini automatically charges as soon as it gets close to it, which is very convenient. At the very inside of the box, there's the Rola Mini robot itself. Do you think that's all the accessories it comes with? No. Remove the track parts and there's a 32 gigs of TF card. Even if one day you don't use the Rola Mini anymore for various reasons, the TF card will always be with you. This little robot is very cute. The two LED lights are like a pair of big eyes, kind of like Eva's sister, you know, the Eva from the movie WALL-E. And besides being better looking, the design is rounded for a reason, because I found that no matter how bad you flip it over, it can automatically go back to the right position. You know tumbler, right? It's the same principle. This will prevent your cat or dog from making it immovable after it's tipped over. In order to have better passability, the wheels are upgraded to tracks. With a maximum speed of 60 centimeters per second, it can easily handle even yoga mats or carpets. Because it's called a Rola Mini, this compact body can maneuver freely in narrow spaces. Your pet can be easily found even under the bed or sofa. All of these designs provide a good basis for the Rola Mini, making it perfect for use as a companion robot. The camera of the Rola Mini is not those two big eyes, but this one in the center. It has a resolution of 1300p and a viewing angle of 137 degrees. The image quality is a bit better than the average security camera, and it should be more than enough to capture a view of your pets. Below the camera is a PIR sensor, which provides more accurate data for motion detection. At the top, there's the voice chat button. Press it to talk to the bundled cell phone.
So right now I'm recording the audio with the Rola Mini's microphone. Are you guys happy with the results?
Maybe you guys are curious, what is this hole at the top? If you buy the extra accessories for it, then you can install a teasing stick at the top like this. This should make it easier for your cat to fall in love with its new friend. Of course, the way to control Rola Mini is through your cell phone. The app is very simple without too many flashy features. Functions that need to be used frequently, such as voice chat and remote, are placed in the most prominent position.
And the photo feature is the least thing that needs introduction. Rola Mini's call quality is now something you can hear for yourselves.
It's pretty good for human already, let alone for the pets. By the way, the Rola Mini can connect to 5G Hz Wi-Fi, which means less latency for remote control and video. Using the floor of your home as a racetrack, drag racing is also much more enjoyable than I expected. On the far right are the skills, which are actually features that will help you find ways to attract your pet to you. For example, you can make a Rola dance or make various animal noises, which is great fun. In the Discover area of the app, the main feature is this Cloud Plus feature. If the 32 gigs TF card is not enough for you, then you can try to enable this feature. 7 days of use for free, no charges if you are not satisfied. Of course, there are more advanced features such as motion detection and privacy setting, which are in the menu at the top right corner. All in all, it has basically all the features you'd expect from a security camera, so you don't need to worry about functionality. To summarize, the Rola Mini is a very practical robot. It doesn't have any rock science features. It's essentially a camera with a teasing stick that can run around. But it's a robot that does a great job of monitoring and playing with your pet. You don't need to spend more money on features you don't need, and that's what Enabot had in mind when they designed this robot. Now, Rola Mini is in crowdfunding. If you're interested in it, you can click the link below to check it out. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.